Hello, my quilting family. I was going to sit and sew for the next Churn Dash case study, but I thought, well, this is a perfect opportunity to show you webbing and leaders and enders. But we're going to concentrate more on the webbing. So this is the pile of churn dashes I have to sew today. Now what webbing will do is help speed up the process. Now I'm going to make you watch all of this. I'm going to show you how to web one block. And this is going to be used as our leaders and enders for a 4-patch project that's coming up. And these little guys, these cute little ones, are going to be little baby 4-patches, and I'm going to make a postage stamp checkerboard quilt with them. So I'm going to use those for leader and enders. Now those leader and enders are perfect because sometimes when you start a project, your fabric will get sucked down into the hole of your machine. Leaders and enders save thread and they prevent that. So let's get started on showing you how to do webbing. Okay? So this is the block where I've chosen to teach you how to web. And we're also going to show you the quick little leader enders. So what you do is you're going to take your block, and that center column is going to flip over just the same way you'd flip over the pages in a book. So now we're going to take that and run that through the machine. My sewing machine squeaks because it's old. It's from the 50s. So I think it's the mechanism down below for the knee pedal, but we've tried to stop it from squeaking and it just keeps on squeaking. I guess it's telling us it's still here. Okay, my seam flips, so I'm just going to push it the other way. There we go. And now I'm going to run a leader ender through, just like this. Put them together so I can get my block parts off in the machine while I'm chaining. Now you use leader enders, again, so that your work doesn't get sucked up into the hole. So this is where we're at. Hang on, just let me straighten this out. Of course it doesn't want to straighten out because it's having too much fun being sewn together. So this is what it looks like from now. And those little chains or thread chains are right there. Don't clip them yet. Don't clip them yet. The little chains are right here. Don't clip them. Okay, now I'm just going to take the top and then sew it down. Yeah, I cut quite a few of these. I made a big dent in my little scraps. So, okay. It's all good. I'm going to make blocks. If you make the blocks, the quilts do come. That's part of the... If you just want to try and make one block, do something and just make one block, well, now you know whether or not... You can have an orphan block. They're allowed. They are allowed very much. Okay, now get another leader ender in so I can get the block off. And take this leader ender off. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. Right there. You have two chains of thread in the middle here. So now we're going to take this side and fold it down. And we're not going to clip any threads yet. We're just going to start the block. Now we just get past the first seam here on the triangle. And then I reach in and I get that first block and I clip it. Now we're going to have... I'm putting the center seam to pushing all my seams to the middle on the center row, and then I'm nesting my seam on top of it so it gets nice and tight in there. And then we'll do the same to this. We'll push to the center, so that means we're flipping that seam under, and we're just finger pressing it for now. And we're going to go all the way down past the seam like one stitch, and make sure none of these other seams flip. And let the feed dogs ease in the square. And then we're just going to put another leader ender in. Very quick. This is a very quick way of doing several things together. I'm going to cut that off. And again, okay, so this is where we're at now. We're just going to take this, flip it over, right? Just very simple. And this side is usually easier because you've already got your finger pressed the right way. There we go. Just make sure it's finger pressed good. And then I nest my seam. You see I push my seam right up in there. And then I'll let my feed dogs ease in everything. And yep, it's all going the right direction. Excellent. And another leader ender. So we're now done with this block. There's my block. Really cute. I've met all my points because I've nested my seams. And I have 4 cute little 4 patches that I'll spin open. And they look just cute. Just cute. Okay. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions about webbing or leaders and enders, you know, just put them in the comments below. We'll try and address them right away. So, okay, take care and have a great day. If you have questions about what you saw in this video, or you have ideas for content or something you want to see us do, please put those comments in the description below. But also, while you're there, like, share, and subscribe with your friends. That would really help us out. Okay, I want to thank you and have a great day.